So, what we are going to do today is our fence. If you notice, it kind of dwindles down a little bit. And yes, it's an older fence that we put up, but because of the way it's going down, we put everything in pretty sturdy like. But we have to fix this. One thing we're going to do is we're going to check the 4x4s, and if they're doing fine, we're going to secure them, because I bought the stuff to secure them. And if that fixes part of it, the other part is I still have coming in is on the bottom, we will be putting in some feet to lift it up a little bit so that we can roll it out instead of David having to do this of what he's doing, of having to lift up and move it out. The wheels will prevent him from having to do that. So that is our next project that we are working on. So today we are fixing a fence post. We took out the cement block, put the new post in, threw the cement block in, so we don't have to worry about where to post it. And now we're going to be doing something different that we learned about. What's it called, David? Oh, turn around, please. It's called PostFix. It's a polyurethane foam, and it sets as fast as 3 minutes. And while we're doing it, is we're hoping to have more stability on this fence post because it's a very large gate. So we're going to see what happens. So what you do, as you can see David doing, is you roll that up and it pops into the other section, or supposedly it's supposed to. Oh, there it goes. And put it in there really quick because it solidifies really fast and expands, right, David? He's ignoring me because he's... I thought it was going to come out white.
Me too. I don't think I mixed it good enough. It's doing something, but it's not what I expected.
Oh, there it goes. If you look on the other side.
Yeah, I see it. I may have to put the other one in here too.
Yeah, it might not be enough, but it's expanding fast. Come on, interesting amoeba.
Go, 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 go for it.
Now the stuff on the top is not moving at all. So oh, it's coming out of the bag still. Ooh, seriously, it's the amoeba family. So I found this online, read some reviews, and there's positive reviews about this, so we'll see. David, you're going to have to... Oh, look at that. Isn't that cool? You're going to shovel it around so it goes all the way around the post so it doesn't come out. Those who are listening, you realize
I'm hoping it goes. It's coming around the back.
Is it coming around?
Mm.
Coming around the post.
And this one's coming up too. Yeah, you can't move it.
Well, we're going to need it to stay in the hole, though.
You just cut it. You let it dry and then cut it if it's above the hole.
Oh, cool.
If it's below the hole, we just bury it.
Very cool. Now we're putting the dirt back in. And as you can see, I mean, that's pretty... Hello, sweetheart.
Oh, didn't mean to be in the way.
That's okay. And then what he's going to do is take the tamper afterwards and tamp that down. Am I correct in saying that, David?
Mm-hmm.
We'll use his foot first.
Well, I'm just trying to get over there because I can't tamp it over there.
Yeah.
Just out here.
Are my feet in your way?
Nope, not really.
So that foam is all now nice and covered. It only took 3 minutes to expand, but we left it in there, what, 5 or 10 minutes, David?
Probably 15, yeah.
Just to make sure. Because we certainly don't need any gremlins coming up underneath the ground.
Right.
It could happen. So far, the hardest part of this job was getting the old cement out.
Then we went and buried it again.
And then we buried it again to take up spot because, like, where the heck are you going to dispose of cement? And that's okay because it gives it more support down there.
Yeah.
Huh? What's that, David?
It'll give it more stability down there.
Yeah.
I have to clean this up later.
Later is good. I'm looking forward to the fence to being on.
Mounted again.
Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to be putting the fence door back on. We have 2 doors. These are very large doors. And by putting them on, we're going to be able to keep it up. And I bought something special to make this all go smoothly, or that is our goal. I love those clams. He loves clams. So when I like it, we've got over at the park, all those cars, there's games at the park. Once or twice a year, we have all-day games. All set, Dave?
Yes, perfect.
All lined up?
It's actually too far that way,
Okay,
just slightly.
just slightly.
Hang the gate on it, it's coming that way.
Okay. The gate, because the gate is so wide, is about 6 feet wide, David?
I don't know.
We'll find out.
It's that wide.
Okay. It's that wide. I like how he says it. Sort of like when I ask him, what's the weather like? He'll open the door and say, it's cold, it's hot.
Sorry.
So here we go.
Here we
So
go.
what he just said was it's off just by a smidgen going towards the house, correct, David?
Yeah.
And the reason he's not upset about that is because the weight of the gate can bring it forward.
It was going too far this way anyway.
Yeah. So he's not upset with it being off slightly, and we're pretty particular about making sure things are all level. But do you need my help on that?
No, I don't think so. We have to get some blocks or something.
See that door there? It doesn't belong there. It belongs over here. I'm being a sassy one.
You are a little sometimes.
Oops, I didn't know. No activity at the pool because it's just too much happening at the park. Pretty cool. I was trying to line it up with the holes that we had there before. Do you need my help?
No. Yeah.
Hey, Jay. So we'll do that on the other one as well. We're going to have this gate working before no time. Next, we'll be putting on the gate wheel, and this will prevent the need to lift up the gate to move it. So, or that's my intent when I bought it for him. So, it'll be good for both of us. We'll see what happens. We're going to display how this goes. Oh wow, is that better?
Yeah. But this is where it gets messy.
Okay, so we'll...
Caster's back.
Oh.
It's pretty good, but it's...
These are not, as David was telling me before I came on, this is not designed for grass. It's more designed for pavement. But we don't have pavement. We have grass. But it's much better because he used to have to lift that big door all the way across. Are you happy about this, David?
Mm-hmm.
Very
It'll
happy?
work.
Yeah. It'll save on your back too because you kept lifting it and I was afraid the door was going to bust.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. We'll be back when it's all put together for both sides because he still has to put it up on this one. This is tiring because he has to push down on the unit so that the spring would work efficiently when the door moves. All set? We
Except
are.
I gotta put screws in this. Look at that. There's space.
Hold on, David. Okay, so we got this working. And we got our little latches to keep the door shut. And now, yay. Well, I guess he has to help it. And we're going to try this one. He hasn't done that one yet. He only has to lift it up just a little, right?
What?
You only have to lift it up just a little?
Yeah.
That's
and it's
good.
really just while it's castering and spinning.
Okay. So let's see how this shuts now. Little rugged, but and that's only because it's on ground, not pavement.
Yeah.
Does this work for you?
Mm-hmm. And this is interesting.
Yep. Anytime you work with doors and you adjust things, you always end up with a space. So we will work on that and get that fixed, right?
Mm-hmm.
But not today.
Not today.
Pretty cool. You happy about this?
Yes, very
All
much
right.
so.
All right.
Thank you for finding them.
Thank you for fixing it. We'll still have squirrels and everything else climbing up here, waking us up at night, but
What? Squirrels don't come in at night, but other things do.
yeah, but not, yeah, night
Night creatures.
Night creatures, yes. Anyways, that's that. That was a long Saturday job.